Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Dorr, Florence, Forest, Kewaunee, Langlade, Lincoln, Manitowoc, Marathon, Menominee, Northern Marinette, Northern Oconto, Oneida, Outagamie, Portage, Shawano, Southern Marinette, Southern Oconto, Velas, Wapaka, Washira, Winnebago and Wood. High wind warning in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Friday. South winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour expected. The areas impacted include portions of central, north central, northeast, and east central Wisconsin. Timing, from 6 p.m. this evening to 10 a.m. Friday. Impacts, damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm, and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.